Keyword.
Keywords with Peter and Jane. 1B. Look at this.
Look at this.
Jane and Peter. Peter and Jane. I like Peter and Jane. Jane likes Peter and Peter likes Jane. Peter and Jane likes the dog. I like the dog. Peter likes trees and Jane likes trees. A shop. I like shops. Jane is in a shop. Peter is in a shop. Here is a ball in a shop. Jane likes the ball. Jane has the dog and Jane has the ball. The dog has the ball. The dog likes the ball. Jane has a shop. Here is Jane's shop. The shop has toys. Jane's.
The shop has toys.
Jane's.
No, this is
Toy.
stop here and then next.
Jane's shop is a toy shop. Here is a toy dog in Jane's shop. Here is a tree in Jane's shop. Peter is in Jane's shop. The dog is in the shop. Here is Peter and here is Jane. Here is a tree. Peter and Jane like the tree. The dog is here. Jane likes toys and Peter likes toys. The toy dog is in the tree. The ball is in the tree. The dog has a toy. The dog likes toys. I like the tree. I like the toys. Here is Peter's toy. And here is Jane's toy. Jane likes the toy and Peter likes the toy.